is our new little addition to the farm. A cute little bunny called
Bobs.
Bobs? No, Bob.
No,
Right?
Bobs.
Bobs?
Yeah, no.
I thought his name was Bob.
No,
Because that is a boy.
Yeah.
He's gonna be Hop Hop's boyfriend, right?
Yeah.
When he grows up.
We're like making like a Bob's family, so his name's Bobs. Yeah.
You are just so cute.
You're so cute. Let him go.
Yes, you are.
I'll bring his water in case he gets thirsty.
Yes, my little Bob. I'm gonna call you Bob.
We're gonna call you Bobs.
Bobs.
There's Bob as well. We have Bobs.
Oh, you think Bob is thirsty?
Yeah, I'm just gonna bring the water in case.
He is thirsty.
This is Hop Pop's cage. This is when we got the cage. Sophie wanted a bunny and I wanted a cat.
So this is a mini Rex breed, just like our first.
It's the same color as Hop Pop's.
And the same kind of brownish color.
As Hop Pop.
Let's wait for him to grow a bit. I think he's pretty young.
Yeah.
Hop Pops has some very nice colored reflection in her brown fur. So let's see if he gets that too.
But this is the same color as her head and the same color as her body when she was baby. Yeah. But not the same tail.
Not the same tail? Oh, he's got a different tail? Oh, you're going to explore around here, huh?
Yeah, he wants to explore.
Careful, there's a cat in the house.
Be careful.
And a dog who definitely wants to check out who you are, huh? But that's a nice dog. Huh?
Yeah.
That's our Shine boy. Come on, Shine. Leave the cute little rabbit alone, huh? Come on, Shine.
Oh, look at his cute fingers. He's so tiny. No,
Yeah, that's your ball. I know, it's not his ball. Yeah. He tried to drink water out of your ball, eh?
Look at that bunny go. Yeah.
Hey, girls, he's escaping over there, going to discover the house.
What are you discovering, bird? Yeah.
And you just want love here, huh? Yes, you want love. I know. You're the best boy. And that's just a cute little bunny. Yes.
Don't stick. Don't stick. Don't stick.
I think the boy just wants affection here. He wants to be loved too, huh? Not just the new little thing here. Yeah, he smells like a rabbit, Shine.
Yeah, he's a
boy.
rabbit.
You should not be too interested into a boy, huh?
Yeah, you should be interested into a girl. Yeah. Okay,
Look at him sniffing his head.
Yeah, he's sniffing. Come on, boy. Be nice with the rabbit. Yes.
Come here.
Are you gonna be friends?
I think they are.
You think they're friends?
Yeah. Yeah.
He's just sniffing. He's not sure what that is, huh?
He already knows. I think.
Yeah.